Hi, I'm Brock with New Age Industrial, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble our adjustable shelving. Here we show our three different styles of shelving: our HD shelving, our T-bar shelving, and our solid brute shelving. Our posts are pre-marked on 2-inch increments for reference on where you want to set your shelf. The bottom section has a blank with no rings, so you know which end is the bottom. I know I plan on installing casters for mobile shelving, so I'm going to remove the plastic caps from the bottom end. They're easily removed with a set of pliers. To start the assembly, you want to stand up your shelves and then set them to your desired width. We get our post with the bottom section at the bottom of the shelves, and we start to pass through the collar on one shelf. Once you have your shelves in the desired location, take the Allen wrench that's provided with every order and tighten the top set screw. Move on to the next shelf and tighten, making sure you're lining up with the pre-scored ring of your choosing. And tighten the last set screw at the bottom for this post. We'll next get our second post and install into another set of collars. And then we tighten the set screws. And now we'll flip it over and repeat the process on the other side for the last two posts. The last step in the process is to install the white plugs inside of the Allen hex key holes. This seals off the holes so that they don't trap any debris. That completes the assembly for stationary shelving. If you wish to install casters, you want to make sure that you move this bottom shelf all the way to the bottom of your posts. With our bottom shelf all the way at the bottom of our posts, we can now install our casters. These are stem casters with a grip ring that press right in. And that finishes up the assembly of our adjustable shelving. For more information, visit us at newageindustrial.com.